Hello everyone, I'm going to show a demo of macros enabled file that is used for consolidating data from multiple Excel files into one and also for uploading back the data from this consolidated file into the respective individual files. Basically, my team handles invoice processing for 79 stations across the network. For each of the stations, I have Excel file which is used for sharing data with the respective FAMs. So, to get this individual 79 Excel file data consolidated into one is where the macros enabled file is being used. As a part of initial setup, I have set up the path where the Excel file country-wise is been saved in SharePoint. And then I would click here on get data to macros to run and extract the data from each of these individual files and consolidate and present it to me. By clicking on the tab Get Data, it will trigger the macros to run in the background and copy the data from the individual files, consolidate and present. Depending upon the number of files, the process may take 5 to 15 minutes. Once done, a prompt of process completed comes up. Click on OK, and in the next data sheet, we can see the consolidated data. So here I have country-wise data for Argentina, Brazil, Canada, Mexico. Now the second part where I have to update data into different files. So I would add a new record over here at the end of the sheet. For example, I'm just updating a data for today. Okay, this is just for the demo. Then I will save it and come back to the control sheet and click on upload data. Now this is which will trigger the macros to run and upload the data that I have added into the respective country file. Once done, the prompt comes saying process completed. And if you then go and see in the next data sheet, all the data that had been compiled gets deleted and only the one that has been newly added remains. So this is the new record that I have added. And if I come back to the control sheet, this data was for Morocco station. And over here under Morocco station, I get this change, which is an indication that this record has been updated. Now, just for me to reconfirm that this has been done, I would go back to my SharePoint site. I will go back to Morocco station file just to cross check that the record that I added, is it available in the file or not. So if I open my file, there I could see this data of this one which I had added. It's now come into my main file. Thus, compiling data from multiple files and also updating simultaneously is now simplified and less time consuming. Thank you.